Time we talk about Seokjin is really my ideal fan, proud as BTS Jin joined KU Medicine honor wall after donating 100 million more for the medical aid. BTS Jin name was reportedly added to the KU Medicine honor wall following his 100 million KRW donation to Key Korea University Medical Center. Recently, images of the KU Medicine honor wall have emerged online showcasing Jin name as the one of the honorary donor of the center. On January 23, 2025, Jin made a donation of 100 million KRW approximately and to the medical center, which would found the Global Goodwill Life Love project. This global project will have help the provide medical treatment to patients to developing countries who are suffering from the incurable diseases with a lack of the financial resources. And as the image of the wall started circulating online, fans filled with pride over the BTS vocalist achievement in the contributing toward the betterment of society and the international sharing. They shared their thought about this on X. Hi, may prize the K-pop artist. I feel so proud. Seokjin is really my idol. A fan said, "So proud of you, Kim Seokjin. You are such a role model, an act that should be followed by many." And netizen mentioned Jin OKU Madison honor wall, and they really put this his name on top. I am so proud of you and everything you do. Seokjin, a user or fan sent well wishes to the BTS vocalist after learning about his philanthropic act. And wow, amazing! We are so proud of you, Jin. You are truly an angel. Glowed and the God bless you and protect you from all evildoer. A fan commented, when her heart is a giving on Seokjin, all the odd will ever be in this favor. He is protected by all the power that be other. Another fan commented, apart from being proud what the world can express this Seokjin, I pray that you are successful. May your fortune and flow so that you can continue to help those who are less fortunate. You are a sincere person. A user stated. BTS Jin shared his thought on the 100 million won contribution toward Korea University Medical Center International Project. On January 23, 2025, BTS Jin was reported to have donated 100 million KRW on the Korea University Medical Center, which would be used to fund the Global Goodwill Life project. According to the official website of Korea University Medical Center, the happy singer shared his thought on the contribution. He said, I hope that even a small hope can be delivered to those who are suffering without treatment in build and the blind spot of the medical system. I want to join global fan in helping more live. Furthermore, an official from Korea University Medical Center expressed their gratitude to the BTS member for the donation. He said, Jin warm sharing is a great help in an international medical sport activity. I believe that this sincere good deed he shows will contribute to the creating a warmer and the healthier society. The University Medical Center vote to continue working toward providing medical assistance to less fortunate people in underdeveloped countries battling incurable diseases. They further stated that the project would more on smoothly and actively with Jin donation in the future. Minhal Jin was recently spotted attending the final day of his fellow BTS member J-Hope solo concert in Seoul, which was held at the KSPO Dome on March 2, 2025. Furthermore, his solo variety show Ranjin episode 25 titled Scared Jin Game 2 is scheduled to be released on the Tuesday, March 11, 2025 on the group official YouTube channel. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.